I'm Dr. William Stiles. I'm the prostate coach, and today we're talking about erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction affects about 30 to 40 million Americans. Erectile dysfunction is simply the inability to achieve an erection satisfactory for penetration. So it affects a lot of people, and interestingly enough, erectile dysfunction typically precedes heart trouble or coronary artery disease. So if you start noticing erectile dysfunction, oftentimes that can be a signal that your heart may be the issue. So not only focusing on the erectile dysfunction, but also focusing on the entire individual and looking at ways to improve that person holistically. Again, looking at the heart. So what do we want to do when we look at natural ways of improving erections? Two things: improving blood flow and improving nerve transmissions. Those are two things that are vital to all of this. How do you improve blood flow? One is diet. No doubt your diet plays a part in your heart health and how your blood flows. So you can improve this simply by eating better. Another thing is detox, getting these chemicals out of our body that are hurting us. Things like pesticides, heavy metals, all types of things that are there. And a lot of times these chemicals, they'll often find themselves in our nerve tissue. That's why detox can be so important in helping with improvement of brain fog, improvement of nerve transmission. So through detox is so important. And then stretching, basic stretching. You can't say enough. It's so simple and it's so often overlooked. But just basic stretching of your entire body can be beneficial. The three benefits of stretching include increasing nerve transmission, improving blood flow, and improving lymphatic drainage. So again, our goal is symmetry. We want all of our internal organs to flow naturally without any obstruction. When there's swelling involved, sometimes that area can block off, things don't drain or move appropriately, and then disease can set in. So again, stretching and looking for symmetry in the body to reset the body and get it back doing what it does best, which is heal itself from the inside. That's it. Hey, I'm Dr. William Stiles. I am the prostate coach. My goal is to help guys live longer, healthier lives. And one of the things we talk about, again, erectile dysfunction, and affects a lot of guys. You know, there's a more natural way to take care of it. And some of that improves making some changes in your environment, making some changes in your behavior to improve this issue, and not only improve your erections, but again, improve your heart, improve your coronary arteries, improve your cardiovascular fitness. So that's something that's so important when you look at improving erectile dysfunction. So again, hey, if this was helpful, hit like, share it with someone. We would appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button. We want to know how we can help you understand men's health, understand prostate cancer better. So we hope that you will put something in the comments to let us know how we're doing and how we can better serve you. Thank you.